Hey guys, Ryan Kerrigan here again for another walkthrough at MarineMax Danvers. Today we're going to be taking a look at this 2024 Sea Ray 19 SPX Outboard. This boat is equipped in the Sea Ray blue hull side with their pill logo, as well as a 150 outboard Mercury engine from the factory. We're going to jump inside, show you guys some of the options, and take a look at this boat. All right guys, we're inside of this new 19 SPX Sea Ray. This is the new redesign from Sea Ray. A couple of the small features that you'll notice in the newer model is this old school curved windshield like the old Sea Rays used to have. That's part of the new redesign, as well as this new stitching in the vinyl. Super cool, super clean look. This is going to be gray sea deck, gray snap-in infinity woven vinyl. So all of this can come up. You can clean off the deck and stuff like that, stow it away for the day. Tons of seating, tons of storage on this boat, pretty much storage under every seat. You have a massive storage compartment here in this back sun pad as well. So you can fit floats, pool noodles, coolers, whatever you have in mind for the day. You're going to be getting a 7-inch Simrad multi-function display from the factory, as well as this Fusion Bluetooth stereo as well for your music. Equipped with a bimini top as well. And everybody's favorite part of the boat is this big cushy bow seating here in the front. You have cushioned bolsters all along the side, make you feel nice, secure, comfy, safe. That's it today on this 19 SPX from Sea Ray. My name is Ryan Kerrigan here at MarineMax Danvers. Give us a call, come down. My number is 617-653-8103.